Welcome to an extraordinary journey into the future of automotive innovation. In this video, we will delve into the awe-inspiring world of the Mercedes-Benz Vision Avatar, a groundbreaking concept car that redefines the boundaries of automotive design and technology. Inspired by the visually stunning world of James Cameron's movie Avatar, this futuristic vehicle takes the concept of driving to a whole new dimension. The Mercedes-Benz Vision Avatar is a testament to the synergy between nature and technology. Its design is nothing short of mesmerizing. The car boasts sleek organic lines and curved exteriors, drawing inspiration from the awe-inspiring creatures and flora of the movie Avatar. It's not just a car, it's a work of art on wheels. But what truly sets it apart is the exterior's LED lights. These LEDs can be customized to display an array of patterns and colors, transforming the car into a moving canvas, creating an enchanting visual spectacle that turns heads wherever it goes. Beyond its captivating design, the Mercedes-Benz Vision Avatar is packed with cutting-edge technology that elevates the driving experience to unprecedented heights. The heart of this masterpiece lies in its electric powertrain, delivering impressive acceleration and exceptional handling. However, what truly sets it apart is its autonomous driving technology, ensuring a safe and comfortable ride. The car is equipped with a myriad of sensors and cameras that continuously feed real-time information about the road and driving conditions, enabling the vehicle to navigate effortlessly through even the most challenging environments. Step inside the Mercedes-Benz Vision Avatar, and you'll find yourself in a haven of luxury and innovation. The interior is designed to be spacious and comfortable, offering a variety of seating options that cater to the most discerning passengers. Immerse yourself in the ultimate auditory experience with a state-of-the-art sound system. But that's not all. The car also offers a range of entertainment options, including a built-in projector and a virtual reality system, allowing passengers to escape into entirely different worlds during their journey. Before moving to the next concept car, don't forget to show your support by liking and subscribing to our channel. Introducing the Honda Augmented Driving Concept, a game-changing concept car that's transforming the way we drive. This high-tech vehicle incorporates augmented reality (AR) technology to provide an immersive driving experience. The Honda Augmented Driving Concept features a hexagonal windshield that acts as a smart display, showing real-time information about the road ahead, including traffic conditions, weather updates, and navigation directions. Additionally, it can display virtual objects like traffic cones and road signs to assist drivers in challenging situations. What sets the Honda Augmented Driving Concept apart is its emotion engine, which employs artificial intelligence to analyze the driver's emotional state based on facial expressions, tone of voice, and other biometric data. The car can then adjust its driving style and environment to soothe or invigorate the driver, enhancing the overall experience. Safety is a top priority for the Honda Augmented Driving Concept, with a collision avoidance system that uses sensors and cameras to detect potential hazards on the road. It also features an emergency braking system that can automatically apply the brakes if a collision is imminent. The Honda Augmented Driving Concept represents a significant leap in automotive technology and safety. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more updates on futuristic cars that are shaping the future of driving. So much for tuning in today. If you enjoyed this video and found it informative, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more exciting content. Make sure to ring that notification bell so you never miss out all our latest videos.